Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Did we not nail the sterling yen yesterday? Unbelievable. Unbelievable how we called that trade. Also dollar yen as well. I mean, it slid a little bit lower than I thought that the support. I had support at 151.33. We slid. I don't even know if this was real because this was the opening of the Asia market, and this is like that bullshit kind of like slides that I don't know if it actually happened. If the market was full, if it was liquid, I don't think it would have slid down. But nevertheless, it went down to 151.22. So I was 10 pips off of what I considered to be a support. But I did think that we were going to rally back up to like 152. I think I said 50. I wasn't. I'm not really sure because I erased all my points because I start fresh every day anyway. Where do we go up to? 152.22. So really, we went up 100. If this is right, then we only went up 100 points, which is quite interesting. So what do we got going on in dollar yen right now? Well, dollar yen is basically the same exact damn points that we had yesterday. We got support at 151. 151, say, all right, I'll go down 151, 32, 33, like that. Obviously, we got resistance right here at 152.22. So what's the story here? 152.22. Oh, man. Really, the warning is going to be probably right where we at, right where we are, right where we at, right where we at. How's that for the Queen's English? Right where we, right where we are right now. Right there is a warning level. Okay, if we can't hold this level, we're probably drifting. Let me change the color here to red. If we can't hold this level, then we're probably drifting back down towards this 151.30 level. As it stands right now, if dollar yen breaks that level of 70, okay, so we're traveling down to the 30, but where's the next level of support? Well, it becomes like right around 150.90. 150.87 is close enough. 150.87. Right there, 150.88, 150.87. Okay, so there's the level of support. Now, if it breaks that, then it's opening its way up to like 150, like 20. But one step at a time. We're now breaking the level that it needs to hold. If we basically can get up through this top up here, this is where the resistance is. If somehow something happens, Trump farts in Air Force One or something, I don't know, and he makes a crazy announcement like he normally does, I don't know, where he'll just like post something on Truth Social like, I'm going to terrorist the Japanese 4,000%. Okay, so we got some crazy like geopolitical situation. We got to get above 152.41. All kidding aside, the next level of resistance is really 152 to 153 actually. It's like 153. I'll go like 152.89 like that. Let me see if I got something up there just intuitively. All right, what I'll do is I'll move up to this high bars close right here. All right, so since we're breaking 70, we're drifting down to 152.31. Let's go on over to the sterling yen. Sterling yen nailed that stuff yesterday, man. Said support 190.62. Boom, boom, baby. Had one of my traders that follow me consistently said basically thank you for that because he took 100 points off his short right at that level. Good for him. Good for him. So where do we stand right now? Let's see, sterling yen, 190, 195. If I was up early enough, I would have sold that shit like you would not believe. But I am not, and I'm not really in it. So I got to wait. Where's the level? Resistance levels coming in now at, I'm going to go this low bar's close right there, 191.48. We're drifting lower now. We're heading towards that 190. I'm going to go with this low bar's close, 190.76. If we break 190.76, this marketplace is opening itself up to, okay, that's 189. That's a big target. Right around 190, the figure, which is an all-important point in sterling yen. 190, the figure. So, what are the points we got to watch? Well, if you're not short, around 190, 150, okay, basically what we're doing is we're trading between these two levels right now. If we break this level, we're probably going back down into this level. The sale level already kicked off. So right now, if you were in, you'd be looking to basically buy back at 76. So, this is all going to depend. Like the cross itself is dollar yen. If dollar yen starts moving down quickly, cable is. We're going to go over cable next, which I should have done before I did sterling yen, but. Cable has just been in like a funeral parlor, man. I mean, as soon as you think it's like starting to pick up steam, it just dies off. So let's get on over to sterling dollar right now. Let's move over to sterling dollars. Exit this. Sterling dollar. Okay. We had resistance, and I think that I nailed it. I had it at 120, 126, like 20, 126.30, 126.26. Right there. I had the resistance right there, which was basically just this high bar's close. And it traveled up a little bit beyond it, went to 34, and then once it broke, it came right back down. It is still in the same bloody trading range. This 70 level, the 125.70 level, again, is the same level that it needs to hold in order to show any type of strength. Now, if it breaks the 125.70, I don't expect it to fall completely out of bed, but we got support at, hang on a second here, 125, wow, 125, woo, holy smokes. All right, well, this 125.70, break of 125.70 opens us to 125.15. 125.15. Now, a break of that brings us down to 124. 124. 124.86. 124.86. Right there. So cable, really, this is the all-important point in cable that it has to hold in order to basically continue the upward pressure. There is resistance. The main point that we got to get over, and I've been saying it, is 127, like 05. 127.05. 127.06. That's the main point of resistance. So if we could get through, I mean, I would think that a break of, say, 35.40, 126.40, a break of 126.40 would actually start showing some bid tone towards that 126, like 80 level, 85 level, like that. But it really has a lot of wood to chop. I mean, it doesn't have any muzzle velocity whatsoever at this point. So, like, I would stick with trading, like, sterling yen. Sterling yen seems to, it's, for me, that crosses are always better because it's a natural hedge. But anyway, so that's what I got in cable right now. That 125, excuse me, the 125.70 is an all important point. All right, so I did sterling yen. Let's go over and do good old euro yen. This one has been another one that's in basically a downward movement. Did we recover one? Let me go to euro yen. I think we went to 158.50, 158.54. Haven't even been able to recover as much as sterling yen recovered. Sterling yen, at least sterling yen recovered over, 90 pips or so. This one hasn't recovered over 90 pips. So marketplace is quite bearish on this. In order for this thing to show any type of strength right now, it's got to get over 159.10 right there. That's the only way it's going to start to show any type of strength. Right now, it's on its path to, wow, 157.70 right there is a target for this thing, 157.70. So I would think that also the euro sterling cross, the euro must be getting hit, the euro sterling cross as well, because sterling yen is not falling. It's basically staying around 191 right now. But this one seems to be breaking this bottom right here, which is concerning. Anybody that was long this thing should be a little bit concerned that the consolidation basically is starting to break out. It hasn't completely broken out yet, but it's given the warning that it potentially can break out. So the target on this thing, if we can't recover over 159.10, the target's right over here, 157.71. If that breaks, we're opening up to 156.70, another 100 points down. So there we have all the currencies in 11 minutes and 51 seconds. Please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. It is 8:28 a.m. in the morning at February 18th, 2025. Looking for, 5,000 subscribers on my channel. So please like, subscribe, share my videos far and wide, because I want to build a big trading community. And also remember, always, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.